Okay, everybody. I'm honestly in the biggest funk of my life. Not the biggest funk of my life. I got into a really terrible, scary experience yesterday. I don't really want to go into details. I just been stuck like in just this soaking, depressing, this state of mind. I just feel like every time I think about what I want to do, I just get consumed with anxiety, and I just had to go. So I'm gonna go outside. There's this free art exhibit going on. It's my first time ever seeing anybody. I'm gonna show y'all to. It's crazy. It's at the Lincoln Center in the city. So, first I'm going to go to my mom's and pick me up my matcha drink, pick up my spirits, pick up my energy, and start a whole new day. I need to push through. I feel like fake it till you make it. I did my hair, fake it till you make it. I'm going to head to the art exhibit. It's like 45 minutes long and it's outside. So I'm going to show y'all. It's lit. It's called the Birdman Show. But it is about to be 5 o'clock right now, and I gotta get out. I gotta get out of this little hole. We're gonna break out of this show. And celebrate my birthday week with activities. So let me go outside and do what I have to do. And y'all gonna come with me. So we had to revert and change the plans, man, because my place closes at 6. The train took too long because it's Sunday. Trains suck on the weekends. So now we're gonna go back on the train, back down the same way we were going. We could have stood on that train, but whatever. We're gonna go over there and then speed back to this other place. This wasn't a smart idea. The show ends at 7. It is 6:12. We're like 4 stops away. The train's all the way back in West Bubblefuck. I'm literally still walking to go get this damn drink. Bro. Got the cookie, waiting for the matcha, and then we gotta run back to the train. I don't know. I got the drink. It is 6:12. We gotta go. But believe the hype in my mind. Wait. Oh, it was either jump, take the one, or walk. And we're not walking that fast. We have to pep the step. We missed the first train because it was very far. It's like the matcha, and then it's like a 15-minute walk, right? From the train to get the matcha, and then to go back. This is far. This way? Yeah, Elle be mad because she be saying why I be acting like I be knowing where you're going. You gotta walk confident in New York. You have to. And you could walk confident the wrong way and then get corrected and take it like a man. Anyways, God bless you. Hey, is this where we got an ice cream before? That I parked right here? Yeah, nah, I didn't like it. I think, Pinkberry. Pinkberry's trash, bro. I mean, if y'all like you some frozen yogurt, then go ahead, go to Pinkberry. It's right there next to the Verizon store. But yeah, hurry up. We're still going too slow, Elle. Alright, so it's on the next block, which is 69th. 69th. Those that don't know, H Mart, where you get all your nice, your Asian goods, basically. Okay, so I literally see kids like up there, so maybe it's over there. I heard some music, but it was downstairs. We came up the stairs, so I don't know. Let's see if it's still there or not. The green grass I'm talking about. I don't see no installation thing besides what I see here, but damn, I think we missed it. Okay, so he said at 7 o'clock they'll be out here. Online it says from 4 to 7, so maybe the last show is at 7. I don't know. Let's see. So we're just seeing like what these tents are over there, killing some time till 7 o'clock, which is probably in I think 15 minutes or so. Oh, we got some food. Some Spanish food. Look at this. I do concerts here and everything. Right? See the water fountain. See the dance floor. Alright, so we got 4 minutes left till the show starts. Of course, we went to the bathroom break, and it is an all-gender bathroom. Which honestly, I kind of fuck with it. I fuck with it. Now people can mind their own fucking business when I'm in the bathroom, trying to go to the bathroom. Like, yeah, just go I'm in the bathroom, bro. I know how to read type shit. But yeah, so I like the all-gender bathrooms. I do. Alright, so we got 1 minute. 1 minute left. Let's see. I'm trying to see which doors they could fit out of. And the doors that I just came out of, maybe they could fit out of, because these are gonna be people like on stilts and stuff like that. Like origami on stilts. So like as you see, everybody's walking over here. So let's see if this is it. This is it. This is it. Yo, this is it. Let's go. Let's go. This is lit. Look at them. What? Nah. What? No way. This is dope. Oh, I got that camera. I got the 360 camera that he's holding right now. Yeah, I got that. I got that, bro. This is cool. You zoomed in on their faces? Yo, so we made it. We made it. We made it, yo. I think this is the last showing too at 7 o'clock. So it's 45 minutes. It was only today this exhibit. Look at that. Look. Wow. Coming this way. They're coming this way. Look at how you just cleared the way. surrounded right now. I'm surrounded right now. Oh, dinosaurs are taking over right now. Ooh, and it's baking in here right now. They take it over, one city at a time. I can't really see it because all the people there, but they dipping and drinking out the fountain right now. Like that's what just happened. All right, we're leaving the birds right now. I mean, is it the birds or dinosaurs? It is called the Birdman Show, so it's like, is it birds or is it dinosaur? Maybe it's dinosaur birds. Yeah. But yeah, we out. We out. It's hot. Okay, we came to 7th Street Burger. It's too hot to go home and cook. I'm over it. I'm over it. This heat wave is kicking my ass right now. Pickle. Here, take it. Take that pickle, girl. Take that pickle. That pickle. Let's get this burger inside of me, bro. Forgot to put ketchup. Yo, look at my face. It is hot. It is baking right now. I totally forgot to end this video. I am home. It's already like 9:30ish. I'm full. And yeah, did it help me crack out of whatever show I was going through? Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Just gotta keep pushing yourself out there, guys. Just gotta keep pushing yourself out there and push through any negative emotions. Like, yeah, you're gonna feel bipolar. Yeah, you're gonna feel like you're all over the place, but just continue pushing through. And yeah, I hope y'all like that installation. That thing, it was cool. It was extremely hot. I don't know how they were doing it for 45 minutes each hour, and that's crazy. But yeah, there's a life of a stoner. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, send it to your friends, and I'll see y'all next time to see where am I going. You heard?